Hi, I'm Salison Z and this is my Tokyo Marui M870 gas shotgun. I've had the gun for about a week and haven't had a chance to game it out in the field yet, but I have had a chance to take it out and shoot a few targets. What's unique about this gun is the gas system. It runs a gas canister in the back here, this size thing. Filled up with gas, it's quite big, it takes very hungry. Locks in the back in here, goes forward and away you go. Probably on one green gas refill I got about 6 or 7 shells out of it. Each shell holds around 10 shots, but what this gun also offers is an option here to switch it to go from a 3-shot to 6-shot mode. So when you're using it with your magazines, you're going to get 5 or 10 rounds out of it. Magazines look like a shell. The one that comes with it is this kind of white looking thing. The old Tokyo Marui red shots work fine. Just pumping your BBs through there. Fits in nicely down here. Locks and load, go. Doesn't eject or anything like that. And I found it's actually quite tight when you're dropping the shell out. It doesn't fall, so you don't have to worry about losing anything. Just going back to the magazine on the back here, I was kind of interested. You can buy extra ones so you can cam around about what would fit into. It's a little bit wider and quite a bit shorter than an M4 magazine or M16 magazine, but it fits into an M4 pouch, double stack pouch, so you could carry more than one on you, which would be great. And as I was saying before, 60 to 70 shots out of it. If you're using it as a primer, you might want another one. For what I'll use it for, that'd be plenty. So the build quality is exceptional. You've got metal outer barrel, metal receiver. It's got a decent amount of weight, about 2.7 kgs. You've got plastic in the stock and plastic in the foregrip. But it's a high quality plastic. Tokyo Marui stuff, you know, you're not buying cheap stuff. It's about 95 centimeters long, which for CQB might be a little bit long, but the inner barrels actually come to about here just for the lug. So if you wanted to, I've seen some guys that cut them down, make them a bit shorter. I'm a bit of a classic, I don't think I'll muck about with it, leave it as it is, but you never know. I had chronoed it, I wanted to see what kind of results I'd get. It was a bit tricky to do it, probably not the most scientific way. All I did was put a single BB in each shell and change the shells and put through. Got around about 320 on each shot, which I think is quite consistent. I've done some accuracy tests with it out the backyard at 10 metres and 15 metres. 3-shot and 6-shot mode using 0.25 gram BBs and green gas. I found that you got considerably less accuracy or range with the 6-shot mode, but at probably 15 to 20 metres you're still going to hit a man-sized target with that. I would probably be myself using the 3-shot mode a lot more just to get that range going through. So check out my footage of that. Conclusion, I gotta say I love it. It's a great gun. I love the build quality. I love the 3-shot mode and the 6-shot mode. I'm looking forward to using that in the field. Accuracy seems great. I'm going to have no problem hitting my targets up to 20, probably 25 meters. I'm looking forward to gaming it and seeing how that goes. Concerns maybe the size of the gas going through it. I might be a bit gas hungry. That could be a bit annoying. Other than that, I'm hoping there's some cool upgrades coming out that make some changes without having to get too technical. But yeah, recommend it. I'm looking forward to gaming it.